A patient has been prescribed 325 milligrams of paracetamol suspension. The stock dose is 250 milligrams in 5 mils. Look, with both milligrams there in both places there, so our unit check is okay. We don't have to do any converting. Alright, and how many mils would you administer? That's our volume again. So our volume formula, volume equals the amount prescribed multiplied by the unit volume, all divided by the amount per unit volume. Right, so as long as the units are the same, we just fill in here. The prescribed amount there is 325 mgs multiplied by the unit volume is 5 milliliters all over 200 and all, yeah, the amount per unit volume, the amount that comes in 250 mg, right? And the mg is cancelled there. And now we see all these numbers are divisible by 5. 5 into 5 goes once, and we can divide down below here as well. 5 into 25 goes 5 times, so 5 into 250 goes 50 times. So now we're left with 325 on top and 50 below, and they're both divisible by 5 as well. You know, so dividing 50 by 5 gives us 10. 5 goes in 10 times. 5 into 32 goes 6 times and 2 remaining, and 5 into 25 goes 5 times. We're left with 65 over 10, and that's the same as 65 divided by 10. We hop the decimal point in there, so on the right hand side of the 5, and we get 6.5 mils, because we still have our mils remaining here. 6.5 mils. Does it make sense? It kind of does, doesn't it? You know, if we give them 5 mils, they'll receive 250 mgs. We want them to receive 325. It does kind of look right. So, yeah, that's it.